How to fix Roblox unable to send friend request. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll go through the methods to fix the error of unable to send friend request issue on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to try clearing your browser data. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your web browser and then go to settings from the bottom. After that, click on privacy and security. Click on delete browsing data. Now set the time range to all time and then check the boxes for cookies and other site data as well. Make sure that you know your Roblox password as clearing this data will log you out and you will need to log back in. So after selecting the options, click on clear data or delete data that is highlighted in blue color in the bottom of this box and you'll be done. The next method you can follow is that you can check the Roblox server status. For that, open a new tab. Then type in Roblox server status online. Click on the first link that appears. And if it shows all systems operational, then the issue is not on the Roblox end. And if there are any reported problems, it means that the issue is with Roblox and not your account. So some users have also found that simply waiting resolves the issue. So one person reported waiting 6 days before the problem fixed itself. So while the others waited about 3 days. So I hope this information helps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.